guys, so for today's video, I've been trying out your guys' favorite pairs of jeans. So I've been on the hunt for a good pair of jeans for like months now. I just can't find one that I like. I want like a good pair of like mom style kind of straight leg jeans, high-waisted, something that has kind of like a rip in it so it doesn't look like too momish, and I don't know, just like a good fitting pair of jeans. I have yet to find the perfect pair of jeans. So I took to Instagram and I asked you guys, hey, what store has the best mom jeans? And yeah, I got a lot of responses, but basically I just compiled like the top 6 stores you guys said, and I got mom jeans from all these stores. Here is the aftermath. A lot of packages going on here. Haven't even opened any of these yet. I wanted to like show my reaction on camera, so I'm gonna be opening these, trying them on, and seeing which one is actually best. I've come up with 4 different categories I'm gonna be rating these on. So the first one is stretch, like do they have some give to them, or are they like super stiff? The waist fit, like the high-waistedness of it, if it's like cinched in enough, like that kind of thing. I think that's really important for a good pair of jeans. The length of them too. All the jeans I got are in like the shorter size, like petite size, or just like a shorter inseam. So I'm gonna see like if these actually fit me well, because I'm a short girl and it's kind of a struggle to find jeans that are like a good length for me. So I'm gonna be judging that as well. And finally, just like overall comfortability and just like, do I feel good in them? So yeah, those are the 4 categories we are judging on. We got a lot of jeans to get through here, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first up we have Urban Outfitters. Okay, so these are the jeans. I got a size 25, and they are the BDG high-rise slim straight leg jeans. These were also $64, so not too bad price-wise, especially for Urban Outfitters. I think it's because this brand specifically they carry isn't too bad. And then I got them in like this kind of lightish muted blue color. Okay, so first impression, they are actually super soft. Oh shoot, they have like a button fly. Not a huge fan of that. And they honestly don't look super high-waisted, so a little skeptical as of right now. The length does look pretty good though, like they're not too long. Hopefully they aren't like too baggy at the bottom, but I don't know guys, so far not great impressions. They're like kind of thin too, it doesn't feel like high quality denim. Okay, so these actually fit so well. I'd say for waist fit, like 5 stars, really good. It like really cinches at the waist and it just like fits really well too. As for stretch, they also feel really good, like they're not super stiff or anything. The length is a little bit long and I think it's kind of awkward, like they don't taper as much at the bottom as I would have liked to. Maybe it's just because I feel like they're a little bit long, like if they were maybe like, I don't even know, like here. I think I might keep these though and just like cut like an inch or 2 off. So maybe like a 3.5 stars for length. But overall comfortability, I mean like 5 stars. Like these are really nice too. So I mean the only ones I've tried on, but so far I'd say these are the best. Okay, so next up we have Pull & Bear. I've heard of this brand before. I've never gotten jeans from them, but a couple of you guys said they have like really good stuff. So got a pair of these. And these are just the Pull & Bear mom jeans. Actually, it's a really cute tag too. So first impression, let me take these out of the bag. Very similar color to the last one, kind of just like a washed blue color. And also I got these in a size US 2. I got everything I think like a 2 or 25. So I think that's my size. I guess we'll see how the sizing holds up among all these stores. They also did have like a shorter length in these too, which is good. They don't look too long. These definitely seem like they have like a better waist fit than the other one. And they do feel a little bit more sturdy, but still like not super thick denim, like kind of thin feeling. I do really like the color though, and I like the distressing at the bottom. So hopefully these are a good length, because I don't want to like lose this if I have to cut off the bottom like I did with all my other jeans. I do think these might be a little big though. I don't know. Let me try them on. Okay, I actually really like these. The waist isn't quite as tapered as I would have liked, so like I'm gonna give it 4 to 5 stars, but they do still fit really good. I just really like to have like a snatched waist with high-waisted jeans, but I mean, they are still really comfortable as long as like they don't stretch when I wear them. Like I feel like these are definitely a good size for me still. Speaking of stretch, I mean, they do feel like a little bit baggy, maybe a tiny bit too stretchy. It feels like not really sturdy denim, like it's very soft, a little bit cheap feeling. But don't get me wrong, these are still like really comfortable. So I'm gonna say like 4 out of 5 stars on stretch. Lengthwise, these are perfect. Like I never find jeans that fit me good like lengthwise, but these are so good. So Pull & Bear has good jeans for petite girls if you're looking for those. Might end up keeping these too. Like 5 stars for length. They're like perfect for my height. And overall comfortability, these are actually super comfortable. Like I definitely have some jeans where like they're not very comfortable to wear just because like they're really stiff, but these do have a good stretch to them, so they are like really comfortable in that sense. And like I said, the fabric is like very cottony feeling, which I don't love for a denim, but it does make it really comfortable. So 5 stars for comfortability. I don't really know what to do. Like I kind of want to keep these too. I don't want to keep more than like 2 pairs of jeans max. Ideally 1, so we'll see, but I'm really liking these also. Okay, next up we have Madewell. These were definitely the most expensive pair of jeans, but I've heard such good things about Madewell, so I'm really hoping these are good. Also, I got all these jeans like 3 weeks ago, so I don't even know if I can return any of them, so look out on my Poshmark. I might be listing some of these on there if they don't end up working out. Okay, so I got these in a size 25 petite, and they are called the Perfect Vintage Jean, so kind of says it all. Pretty much the same color as the other ones I got. I kind of went for like a medium lightish wash for all of these just because I think it's like the most wearable. Ooh, these actually feel super good. Definitely like a more sturdy denim. You can really tell these are like a little nicer just because they feel like really like high quality. I don't know, they have a really good feel to them. They do also look pretty high-waisted, and the length is good too. Like I don't think these are gonna be too long on me. I feel like they might be a little big. I think I might have gotten the size wrong in a lot of these, so I don't know how to really judge that because like that's also kind of my fault, but yeah, I should be a 25, so we'll see if they're true to size. So these are obviously the most expensive pair, and as much as I hate to say, you can definitely tell like wearing them, they just feel like really high quality and good. The waist fit is really good too. I think I could maybe size down a little bit because there's like a slight gap back here, but like they still fit really good. Even just like all the way down, like I feel like it's just a really good fit. Stretch wise, these are a little bit stiffer, but even though they do have like a more like thick denim, like they do still feel like they have a good stretch too. Like they're very comfortable. So 5 stars for stretch. And then as for length, these are like the perfect length. They end right above the ankle, like they taper perfectly. So length also 5 stars. Comfortability, these are really comfortable. The only thing I don't love about them is I feel like they make my butt not look great. Like I think it just makes it look really flat. So I don't know, maybe like 4 out of 5 stars for overall comfortability and look, but overall I do also really like these. Guys, I'm gonna end up with so many pairs of jeans. I don't know which ones I'm gonna return. Okay, next up we got PacSun. I've gotten shorts from PacSun before, and I do know they have really good like denim, so I have high hopes for these. Let me see what these are called exactly. These are the Terra Blue high-waisted straight leg jeans. The size is a 25 short, and these were about $48, so really not too bad at all. Okay, first impression, they're very soft. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Oh, these look kind of big too. Yeah, I don't know about this sizing here. They do look good like that. They look very high-waisted, which I like. Hopefully they fit. The color is good. They just feel kind of like thin. I don't know because I got like not that expensive pair of jeans, but a lot of these have like a very thin, flimsy feel to them, which I also feel like is not great because that means they're gonna like stretch out a lot when I wear them. Okay, finally a pair of jeans I don't like. These just have really bad fit. The waist is very loose, so they definitely run big because I'm a 25 and literally everything and all the other jeans fit, except these are definitely too big, and just overall they're like super baggy and just not flattering at all. So I'm gonna give the waist fit like 3 out of 5 stars. Stretch wise, I think they're like too stretchy. I don't know, they just feel like really flimsy, and I feel like if I wore these all day, like they would just get baggier and baggier. I'm gonna say like 2 stars on the stretch. Lengthwise, like I guess they're pretty good, maybe like 4 out of 5 stars. They are a little bit long, but I mean like that's the least of my problems with these jeans. Overall comfortability, I mean they are super comfortable. They're just because they're like so baggy and loose, but they just like really don't look good. So overall look and comfortability, I'm gonna say like 3 stars. These are definitely not good. I'm kind of disappointed because I've gotten like some really good jeans from PacSun before, and yeah, these just are not it. Okay, and last but not least, this is American Eagle. It doesn't say it anywhere on the package, but it's the only one left, so it's gotta be American Eagle. This is probably the one I heard from the most. A lot of you guys said American Eagle has good jeans. I've gotten stuff there before though, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan, but we'll see, we'll see. still has that like very thin, cheap denim feel. Oh, I don't know about these. Ugh. Yeah, I don't think these are gonna be looking too great. The waist is just kind of big and they're like, I don't know. I got these in a US size 2. They are the X short length, so hopefully the length is good. And these are the mom jean in Cool Classics, so we got that here. Yeah, I don't know. They just have a really weird feel, and they just like, the waist is kind of off, but let me try them on. Okay, and last but not least, we got the American Eagle jeans. Also not really a fan of these either. Like the waist fit is just really not there. Like it fits pretty decently around the legs, but the waist is just really big. And like I don't normally have problems with like a loose waist or anything. Like I don't have a super tiny waist compared to like my hips like some girls. So this isn't like a normal problem for me, but like yeah, this is just kind of big. I feel like it's just kind of weird. Like it didn't like cinch in at the waist. Like it was very straight looking. So I'm gonna say waist fits like 3 out of 5 stars. Stretch, they are super stretchy. I think they definitely have a better feel than the PacSun ones, like a little bit stiffer, so I think good stretch, maybe like 4 out of 5 stars. Lengthwise, they actually are a good length. I think they taper pretty well at the bottom too. Definitely good for petite girls. Like this is actually a really good length. And overall comfortability and look, I mean, they are pretty comfortable. They're just like, aren't really flattering. Like, I don't know what it is. I guess it's like the waist and like where the rips are. I don't know, like just not very cute. Like maybe 3 out of 5 stars. Yeah, not loving these. Okay, so after doing some revaluations, I've decided that my favorite are these Madewell jeans. They were the most pricey, but I think that they are actually worth the price. My second ranking is Pull and Bear. Those were also a really good fitting pair of jeans. Good length for petite girls. Urban Outfitters, I'm going to say, is my third just because like the tapering was a little bit off and they were a little bit long. Fourth place, we got PacSun. The sizing was a little bit off and just kind of like a weird overall fitting jean. And then in last place, American Eagle, which ironically was the place most of you guys suggested, but they were just really poorly fitting pair of jeans. At least for me, like they just did not work. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end up keeping these Madewell ones as well as the Pull and Bear ones and sending the rest back, unfortunately. I did spend like $500 on these jeans, so it's probably for the best that I didn't love them all. But you know, overall, these were some good suggestions. I definitely found some good pairs of jeans. The Urban Outfitters ones I would keep. I just don't need another pair of jeans that are just like the other two I'm keeping, but I definitely would shop there for other jeans in the future as well as my other top 2. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see me try more of your suggestions. This was pretty fun. Maybe not great for my shopping habits, but you know, it was still really fun. I really enjoyed trying on all these jeans. So yeah, if you have any suggestions in the comments, let me know, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye!